Click on the link below to get price. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter stands out in the crowded electric scooter market, particularly for those seeking versatility and robust performance. Available in 3 power configurations, 500W, 800W, and 1200W, this scooter is designed to cater to various riding preferences and terrains. The powerful motors deliver impressive acceleration, allowing riders to swiftly navigate urban environments or tackle off-road trails. One of the most striking features is its 20-inch off-road tires, which provide superior traction and stability on uneven surfaces. This makes it a fantastic option for adventurous riders who want to explore beyond smooth pavements. Whether you're cruising through a park or navigating rougher terrains, the scooter performs admirably, absorbing shocks and ensuring a comfortable ride. Range is another significant factor where the Caroma Peak excels, with options for 15, 25, or 30 miles, depending on the model you choose. This flexibility allows riders to select a version that best suits their commuting needs or recreational plans. The longer range models are particularly appealing for those who require a reliable vehicle for daily commuting or weekend excursions. The inclusion of a comfortable seat is a thoughtful touch, enhancing the overall riding experience, especially on longer journeys. The seat is well padded and adjustable, allowing for a personalized fit that keeps fatigue at bay. Additionally, the scooter is equipped with a sturdy frame that supports a significant weight capacity, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The overall build quality is commendable, showcasing a blend of durability and modern design. The control panel is user-friendly, providing essential information at a glance, including speed and battery life. Furthermore, the scooter's folding mechanism makes it easy to store and transport, adding to its practicality. In summary, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter with its powerful options, impressive range, and off-road capabilities is a compelling choice for anyone looking to enhance their mobility while enjoying the thrill of outdoor adventures.